What's up everybody, it's Bloodshed Romance. Today I'm going to be building a computer for my buddy Bernie. These are the parts that he has gotten with my advice. This is a MSI 970 with two 4GB sticks of 1600 Gskill RAM and an FX 6300 AMD processor. For the power supply, we're going with a EVGA 500 watt bronze power supply. A 1TB Western Digital RE4 drive is what he chose because it was cheapest at the time. And for a video card, we got a R9 280X. It's the Gigabyte WindForce edition, and it is absolutely amazing, beautiful. The case this is all going to go in is actually over there, which isn't in the field of view right now, and I'm not picking it up. It's a Fractal Define R4. It's not the R5 because the R5 is still pretty expensive, and the R4 just went on like some massive sale, so it's like, oh, it's white and I like it. So that's what we've got to work with. So we're going to put all these together, make sure it all boots, and we'll see if this thing can actually perform the way we think it will. All that nice hardware, and he has to get a solid case. Alright, so everything's in the computer, everything's running now, Windows is installed, all the updates are good, and yeah, everything looks pretty inside. It's one bad thing is they didn't have the windowed case in stock, so we got the non-windowed case, but that's fine. If you really want to know benchmarks or frames per second or anything like that, just leave a comment below and I'll get in contact with Bernie and let you know what it's like. Like this video if you like it, dislike it if you disliked it, comment if you're a fan of the white Fractal Define R4, and yeah, subscribe if you haven't already and check out some other videos. So thanks for the new computer, Bernie. I'll talk to you later.